bears, I love you. Teddy bears love me too.
That's great. Who's that from?
I get something in here. Surprise. And something else. Look at this.
What is it?
Look at this kind.
What is it? Oh my goodness. Did your grandma, Sadie Lulu grandma, send you treats?
Yeah.
What do you think?
That looks great.
Looks great?
Yeah. Hold on. Let's open this.
Do you need help with it?
No, I don't need help. I can open it. I got it open. See? I got it open. I need a little help, Mommy.
You do? Okay. Let's see. All right.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it. I got one.
Excellent. You want to try it out? Looks pretty tasty. What do you think? Very good. Do you approve? Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. What are these for?
I think that's a different kind. Those look really good too.